Hi, this is Dr. Khan from KSG. Civil Services is a very, very prestigious examination of this country, and a lot of aspirants are preparing in this direction. Quite often, they are confused about when to start, how to start, where to start, and a lot of doubts that you have about this examination. On 18th of July, 7 p.m., I'm going to be live with my esteemed colleagues and then going to demystify all the doubts that you have about it. And this is going to be a free webinar, and I invite you all to join us at that time to understand the nuances of preparing for this examination. I invite parents, teachers, all of you who want to help students and your daughters and sons to understand as to how to really go about this examination. It's going to be a very interesting session. See you then on Sunday, that is 18th of July, 7 p.m.